next train will be a Central Line, service for all stations to White City. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand behind the yellow line as the train approaches. Use the full length of the platform and let customers off the train first.
Customer service update. There are severe delays on the Piccadilly line while we carry out repairs to our train. There's good service to all other lines, railway, overground and railway. Central Line, service calling at all stations to West Ruislip. Central Line, service calling at all stations to Inning Broadway. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand behind the yellow line as the train approaches. Use the full length of the platform and let customers off the train first. Service update. There are severe delays on the Piccadilly line while we carry out repairs to our trains. There's good service to all other underground lines, railway, overground and